Everyone is hello students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Okay. So everyone look at the board. What is written here? Okay. So here question is written. Now this question is based on types of sets. Okay. So in last video we have discussed about the types of test types of sets. Okay. So I had discussed 9 types of sets. Okay. So in which we had discussed null set. Null set is also called as empty set, finite set, infinite set, है ना? We had discussed this thing, total 9 sets. So here questions are written. So see what question is saying. First question is saying which of the followings are example of null set. Okay, so you have to tell here 4 examples are given. In this you have to tell which one is null set and which one is not null set. Okay, so null set means empty set. Empty sets are those sets in which no elements will be there. Okay, so I had explained in last class. Now see what first example is saying. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers. See what question is saying. Set of odd natural numbers. Odd natural number is what? Odd natural number. If we talk about odd natural numbers, then what we will write? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on, है ना? So what saying कि odd natural number divisible by 2. Okay, so you can see here these number are not divisible by 2. These number are not divisible by 2. Okay, but here it is saying divisible by 2. So either a number will be divisible by 2 or either will be, so odd will be. So odd number is not divisible by 2. So there will be no element will be in this. So this will be what? Null set. This will be null set. This is the example of null set because in this set no elements will be. Okay, see here odd number are there, odd number are not divisible by 2, but here it is saying divisible by 2. Okay, so it is the example of null set. Now see the next one. Set of even prime number. Set of even prime number. Even prime number means 2. Even prime number means number should be even. Second thing, prime number. Okay, even means divisible multiple of 2 and prime means have 2 factor only. 2 factor only. One is 1 and other is itself. Okay, prime number for example 2 have factor 1 and 1 2. If we talk about 3, then 1 3 will be 5 1 5 and so on. But here it is saying number should be even and prime. Even means see 2 is even also. See 2 is even also and prime also. But after that if you will write prime number, then that will be the odd number. So in this set only one element will be there. Okay, and null set what set key? No element should be there, but here one element is there. So this is not null set. Not null set. Okay, so this is the example. You can say singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton set means a set containing only one element, as discussed in last video I. Okay, so second one will be not null set. Why? Because only here one element is there. So null set ke no element should be there. Now see the third one. Third one is x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. Natural number means, see here, natural number. Natural number means one, counting number 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, and here condition is given कि x will be greater by what number or less than by what number. See here it is given x is less than 5. X is less than 5 means 1 2 3 4. Okay, and here it is said that x is greater than 7 means 8 9 10 11 and so on. Okay, but at a time two condition can't be fulfilled. Okay, at a time two condition can't be fulfilled. Either this condition will be, either this condition will be. Okay, so but here it is saying x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. That is not possible. That is not possible. So it is also a null set, because in this set no element will be there. Okay, in this set no element will be there, though that is called, it is also called as null set. Now see the fourth one. Fourth one, what saying? Y is such that y is a point common to any two parallel line. Now it is talking about parallel line. Parallel line means two or more line which never meet or intersect each other. Intersect each other. Now it is saying that a point common to. Okay, if we take point on this, if I take point on this, okay, so can you say that the both point are common? Okay, no. Your answer will be no, both point will be not common. But here it is saying that a point common to any two parallel line. So that is not possible. Common will be when both intersect each other, है ना? Common will be when both intersect each other. But here line is parallel. Lines are parallel. So this is also a null set. This is also a null set, because in this no element will be there. Okay, understood? So see what is null set, and say here example was there why these example are null set and why not null set, reason given here. Okay, now see the next question. Next question is what? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? See, finite or infinite, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? You have to tell in these sets which one is finite and which one is infinite. So in last video I had told you about the type of set. So in that I had discussed about the finite. Finite means countable element. So whatever element will be there in the set, that will be countable. And infinite means not countable elements. Okay, so now we will read the example and check whether the elements are countable or not. Okay, see here what is written. The set of month of a year. Set of month of a year. So in a year there are 12 months, है ना? In a year there are 12 months. Okay, so 12 month means what? This is countable, है ना? Set of month means 12 month, and 12 months is countable, so it will be finite. What? It will be finite set. See here, if countable is there, then finite. Now see this question. In this set, what is there? 1, 2, 1, 3, and dash dash dash. Dash dash means so on. After this, many number can be. Many number can be. So if there are many number, okay, so it is not countable. Okay, not countable means infinite will be, set will be infinite. See, if there is a not countable element in the set, then that set will called as infinite. Okay, now see the third one. What? See, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 99 to 100 means in this 100 natural number are there. See, in this 1 to 100 natural number are there. So 1 to 100 you can count, means 100 element will be there. 100 elements will be there in the set. It means this is countable, so it is called as finite set. See, this is called finite set. Okay, now see the fourth one. Fourth one is the set of positive integers greater than 100. Set of positive integers greater than 100 means 100 that greater than, okay, greater than 100. Greater than 100 means 101, 102, 103 and so on. Okay, 102, 103 and so on. Okay, see here 101, 102, 103 and so on. Okay, so it means After this there are so many number are there, so many number are there. Okay, not countable, not countable. Okay, if not countable means infinite will be, this set will be infinite. See, if the numbers are uncountable, then that is called infinite set. Now see the fifth one. Fifth one is set of prime numbers less than 19. Set of prime numbers less than 19. Okay, so you have to tell about the prime number. Prime number I had discussed here, what written here, prime number numbers have two factors, only one and itself. Okay, so see here, you have to write prime number less than 99. Less than 99 means 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 5 will be there, 7 will be there. Okay, up to, so below 99 what will be there? Okay, so that will be means you have to write below 19. So below 19 we can below 99 we can count. Okay, if we can count, then that is also a finite set. See, okay, what, it is also a finite set. Okay, so in this way we can write which one will be the finite and which will be the infinite and which will be the null set. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about the null set and finite or infinite. Okay, in next video we will discuss about some more example of other type of set. Okay, till now goodbye, wait for the next video. Okay.